For this question, we have two functions, f of x and g of x, and both of them are defined at x here, defined by this table. Now, this is the important part. F of x is an even function, and g of x is an odd function. Then we have this third function, h of x, which really just says h of x is f of x plus g of x. And the question is asking, what is h of negative 3? Well, h of x is defined as f of x plus g of x. And if we're going to plug in negative 3 into there, then that's all we have to do is plug negative 3 into f of x and g of x and then add them up. Well, f of x is an even function. Even functions say that for even f of negative x, this is the same thing as f of x. So we know f of negative 3 is the same thing as f of positive 3. You can remove the negative out of an even function. Now, odd functions, in this case, g of x is an odd function, say that g of negative x, this is the same thing as taking the negative outside of the function notation. So I can take this negative and move it on the outside. I get negative g of 3. And this was important to do because all we know from this table is f of 3 equals 4. That's from this second column. And from the third column, we have g of 3 equals negative 5. Well, now we have f of 3 and g of 3. F of 3 is just 4, and g of 3 is negative 5. That gives us 4 plus 5, which is 9.